HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids, ready to draw a cute little kitty? Let's begin! Start with the bow. Her ears, a little triangle and a circle for her face. Let's draw the eyes and a cute little nose. Draw a rectangle for the kitty's body and a line across, which will be her dress. A straight line for the legs. And now the arms. Whiskers on both sides. And done! That was easy. Let's give a nice outline. Ta-da! Looking good, kitty. Let's use pink for her dress. Keep going with nice and neat strokes. Isn't our kitty super cute? A red bow will look lovely. And a cute yellow nose. Here is our kitty. Hope you had fun.